So today I wanted to talk about the success ratio and how much risk is it in cold approaching. So because this is a question that I get a lot, यार everyone asks me. अभी पिछले दिन हमारा meetup था and there was this client who asked me this question कि यार like Nishant, what are the chances of me getting beaten up or bad things happening to me? And हमेशा मैं इसका आंसर देता हूँ यार you should not worry about it, you should not think about it usually, but I thought कि एक बारी के लिए just for once let me be very pragmatic and let me answer it based on the numbers rather than other things. ठीक है? So this is the answer that I gave him based on the numbers, like clearly the numbers, nothing else. कि भाई I have done by number you can say approximately 3,000 to 5,000 approaches. I mean उससे ज़्यादा ही करे होंगे, but I'm just being modest here because I don't want to give a number too huge which I just cannot back, right? So if we assume कि मैंने 3,000 से 5,000 approaches करी हैं, there have bad things happened, right? And I consider that to be an occupational risk, and I do not feel bad at all about it because I have gotten into fights and everything as well, right? तो वो भी हुआ है, why not? Because obviously I've done so many approaches, that's why. So as I said, I have done an insanely huge number. To give you a reference, when I used to game at a very prominent location, CP, तो क्या होता था कि I used to go there, I used to start talking to people and ऐसा होता था कि एक राउंड में जितने भी लोग होते थे ना, every woman, I used to talk to like every fucking girl एक पूरे राउंड में, and by the time I came back, जब मेरा राउंड कंप्लीट होता था, I used to see the same girls. Basically I used to burn the whole CP, ठीक है? ये हो जाता था मेरे साथ 2-3 बार हो चुका है, ठीक है? कि I used to go there and I would open everyone and फिर when I would get back there would be exactly the same number of people, like same people. So that has happened multiple times. So you can just assume कि I have done a lot of approaches. When I go out I fucking do so many approaches कि I do not even count, ठीक है? मतलब 200 तो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही करी थी, लाइक 200 बूट कैंप, 200 तो मैंने बूट कैंप से पहले करी थी व्हेन आई वाज इवन स्टार्टिंग गेम, ठीक है? तो आई हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ अप्रोचेस. If we talk about the numbers, यार bad events have happened, but if you talk about how many times bad events have happened, I can count 3 bad events, ठीक है? 3 bad events where things have happened, जिनमें से कि किसी भी केस में there was never a case because of the girl. The girl never caused any problem, never. एक भी बार किसी बंदी ने कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं क्रिएट करी थी. In all of these 3 times, there were guys who were insecure, who were jealous, who fucking wanted to fight, because of which things happened, ठीक है? And at the end as well, I came out clean, right? There was no fucking complaint. There was nothing. Like, well, it was just like, यार, अगर कुछ हुआ भी है ना, तो like it has ended in nothing, ठीक है? That is the rate of you can say bad things happening, and bad things have happened. It's fine. If we talk about what are the good possibilities, जितने मेरे साथ बुरे इवेंट्स हुए ना, उससे ज़्यादा तो मेरे सेम डे हुए हैं, ठीक है? तो if we think about it, यार, people are worried कि भाई बुरी चीज़ें हो जाएंगी. अगर if we rationally look at it just from a very pragmatic perspective, just based on the numbers, the chances of you getting a same day are higher than you getting beaten up or getting into a fight, because this has been my statistics based on like thousands of approaches, you know, because it is not even a skewed statistic, because 1,000 is like a fucking big number and it's in like thousands, not 1,000. तो यार अगर इन इतनी अप्रोचेज में you have a sample data and you can exactly tell based on that, I think the chances of you getting laid the same day are higher than getting beaten up or getting into a fight. So यार, if we even look at it from a pragmatic perspective, from a very analytical, very statistical perspective, the chances of you getting successes are higher than actually getting into fights. तो यार अगर ये सीन है तो फिर तो don't you think that all your fears are unwarranted? It's like saying कि भाई मेरे ऊपर बिजली गिर जाएगी, पर तुम पे बिजली गिरेगी, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा लाइकली है कि तुम बचोगे एंड पॉसिबली शायद तुम्हारे साथ कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा, तुम्हें 10 रुपये का नोट मिल जाएगा. बिकॉज इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इट, हम सबको पैसा पड़ा हुआ ज़्यादा मिला है, बट हम पे बिजली बहुत कम गिरी है, एंड दैट्स अगेन बेस्ड ऑन स्टैटिस्टिक्स ओनली. तो गाइज, इफ यू थिंक अबाउट इट, there is absolutely no point to worry about bad things happening, because the probability, even if we look at a statistical perspective, is infinitesimally small. It's like negligible. It's like zero. And the good things that happen, they are so good that even if bad things happen, you will just forget them, right? People will cheer on you, people will just remember the good things that happen, and they'll obviously forget the bad things that happen, right? तो एक चीज़ ये हो गई. दूसरी चीज़ यार, this is the like mindset related answer that I give to my clients and everyone who asks me this question, कि भाई we have 2 options. One is कि भाई we worry about what is going to happen, what is the bad thing that is going to happen, and we worry about it, we let it sink in, we fucking let it drive our lives, and we stay the way that we are. But if we think about it, are we happy the way we are? We are not. That's why we are here watching the video. That's why we are thinking about changing. If you work on that path, you may get beaten up, but I can give you a guarantee that your life is going to change. Good things are going to happen. So the question remains, Do you have a problem with that one fight that you're going to have after thousands of approaches? Or are you worried, or are you really, like concerned about your life not being on point? Because if you go out, if you put in that effort, if you do that approach, I can guarantee you good things will definitely happen. But you getting into a fight or you getting into something bad is very, 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 very unlikely. The question is, are you still going to convince yourself कि नहीं भाई बुरी चीजें होती हैं? Or are you really going to look at the numbers for now and just focus on working ass off and just improving your life because it's anyways so bad? Lastly, what option do you have? क्योंकि तुमने सब कुछ try कर लिया, that's why you are considering this, right? What exactly are you going to do? Are you going to be a bitch and cry about it? Or are you really going to take responsibility and do something about it? Because let me tell you, if you stay the same, nothing is going to happen. If you take action, bad things may happen, but the possibility of good things happening is huge. And it is, even if nothing good happens, at least you will change as a person. It will bring at least 1% change in your life in a positive direction. Because jo tum abhi kar rahe ho, that is already not leading anywhere. So the question remains, guys, are you going to be a bitch and cry about it? Or are you going to take action? Until next time.
That was crazy, right? But do you know what's crazier? Click this playlist right here and you will see in real life hidden camera footage of me approaching and attracting beautiful women in no time. I'll also be breaking down what I said to them, how I got them attracted in minute details. So don't delay, guys. Click the playlist right now and I'll see you on the other side.